Hi art friends, it's almost 2026 and today I'm going to show you step by step how to draw Labubu celebrating the new year. Let's get started. Let's first start by drawing Labubu's eyes. So we're going to start with two curved lines. One and two. Then under each one, we're going to draw a large oval. There. And within each one, we are going to draw a smaller oval, following the same curve as the outside. Now let's draw a small circle within the eye for the highlight. And we can now shade in the rest of the eye. There. Now in between the two eyes, let's draw a rounded triangle upside down for Labubu's nose. Then we're going to draw a big curve from the left to the right, like that. So I'm going to start like right in the middle of the eye, draw it out a little bit, and then we're going to draw a curved line that goes down. Now let's draw the teeth. So we'll have two teeth in the middle, two upside down triangles, three on the right, and four on the left. There. Now let's frame the face. So on each side, let's draw a curved line. And we're going to bring the two curves towards the middle and meet here. There. And now let's bring it towards the center, like right here. There. And now let's add another layer. Okay, so we're going to draw another curved line outside. We're going to leave the middle part blank because I'm going to put a New Year's hat on his head. And now let's just draw the rest of the head. There's like a pumpkin shape. Now let's finish the top. So I'm going to add a hat right there. A triangle. And I'm going to add some wavy lines at the top. Here. And now let's draw the ears. So to draw the ear, I'm going to start right here. I'm going to give myself 2 points and And from here, let's draw a big curved line that goes up and comes back down. Now let's draw this point across to here. So that's how tall my left ear should be. And I'm going to draw a curved line that connects to this line right there. And bring it back down. Now I'm going to draw another layer. And finally, a third layer. There, so that's the head. And we are going to draw the body. So from here, let's draw two curved lines out. And this arm is going to hold, this hand is going to hold a balloon. So let's draw it out like that. Curve it back. And right here, I'm going to draw the hand. And now let's draw the balloon. So I'm going to draw like a string. And a big balloon. There. And here now let's draw a curved line there. And bring it back towards the center. Now here, let's draw the bow. So I'm going to draw a square in the middle. And a bow like that. It's wearing a bow tie, so we're going to color it later. And now let's draw this point across to here. So these are the armpits. And I'm going to draw a curved line that goes out and comes back inside. Okay. And now let's draw this point, this line down, small wavy lines, and a tulip shaped hand. There. And now let's draw the legs. So in the middle, I'm going to draw a small curve and a short line to separate the two legs. At the end, I'm going to draw small wavy lines. Now don't forget what we're going to write on the balloon. So I'm going to write 2026. So first I'm going to write a 2. Here. Now let's color it. And that's how to draw Labubu celebrating the new year. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. Please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel for more weekly tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy 2026!